Today we're going to La Mesa Eco Park. So it's a watershed eco park nearby. I was thinking of going there for almost 2 years now and I haven't been there. So today, finally, we're going there. I'm currently reading a blog here. So apparently they're open Tuesday to Sunday, and they have free entrance fees for residents and 20 pesos for non-residents. And they have additional fees too for if you want a trail, the garden, or the bike rentals. It's too far. So we're here at the viewing deck. We can see the gates here. Well, it's not really a gate now because they have kind of automated it. It's actually only the picnic area that is currently available right now. So if you want to go have a picnic, then that area is your place. But just warning, if you're coming here in summer, like April to May, I'd rather go here in the forest. are planning to go here, there are some things that you might want to know before coming here to like ground your expectations, because apparently a lot of the things from the past decade is not available anymore. So before there was an orchid orchard, or was it a plantation, swimming pools, stairs, and a lot more. The museum is also not available anymore. I'd say it is poorly maintained right now, but they're making some renovations, but it isn't ready yet. If you just want to be with yourself and experience forest here in the city, then it is your best bet.